This is Joe from TechieLobang, and this is the Tefal Air Force 360 handheld vacuum cleaner that I got. It is quite a large box, so please bear with me while I do the unboxing single-handedly. This is a brand new set. It's not open yet, so let me do the unboxing here. Oh, there's so many things. This is the manuals and some, I guess, accessories. Adapter. Accessories. So this is the roller, and this big guy is the main unit. The rest, I believe, are the accessories. Looks like a filter. Another accessory. Another one. That is it for this unboxing. Okay guys, you see right here on the floor is all the accessories and the main unit of the Tefal Air Force 360. So let me show you in details all the accessories again. This is the soft brush. You can it has a multi-purpose. You can actually fit it here, and it has another purpose is you can use it to brush the basket inside the main unit. We have the charging port, two charging point here, and you're supposed to insert the power inside here. So this to allow you to charge it, and it has mounting so that you can actually mount it. You can actually mount it on the wall. Next, this another accessories for the unit, and this also another accessories for the unit. Okay, this for brushing, maybe the sofas or whatever, and this for those corners that is hard to reach corners. You can use it to reach these kind of corners. And this big thing is actually the roller. This is the roller. Finally, this is the big guy. It is actually quite large and quite heavy. Many of you might be interested in this roller, how to clean it. I think most important on all vacuums is how do you do maintenance on them, because maintenance is very important, because hair or whatever dust will trap inside all this roller, and sometimes it's so difficult to clear it. So for Tefal Air Force 360, it has very easy way to take out all these accessories and to clean them. So let me show you how it's done. Over here, as you can see, there's a mechanism over here. So what you do is you pull it out. So once you pull it out, you can take out this cover. When you take out this cover, you can see this roller. So there's a catch over here, not catch, there's just a guide over here. You just need to lift it up and pull it out. You see this groove? You see this groove over here? You can actually use a pen knife to cut over it if there's a lot of hair. For example, like this. Just slide over it. Be careful with your hand, and you can clear away the debris or the hair or whatever that is tangled on this brush, and you can clean it normally. To put it back is also quite easy. So remember, here to here, and there's a catch over here. There's a catch over here, the metal thing over here. So make sure it's facing upwards, and you have to just slide it down So to put in this cover, you need to make sure that this is all pulled to the back, and one obstruction is over here, so you just need to make sure it's in and push it now, push it. Once it's locked, it's okay. And if you want to do more cleaning, if you're obsessed with cleaning this thing, you can see some hinge over here. You can just use a negative or minus screwdriver and take it out. Inside, you can just pull it out later and then do the cleaning. Next, I want to introduce you to this main unit. Okay, looking at it, it seems like it's quite difficult to clean it because everything seems like so well in place. Actually, you just need to do simple steps and you can get it done. For example, pull it out, watch the below. So wherever there's dust on this container, once you pull it out, all the dust will come out from here. So what does it do then? Once you pull it out, you can push. Okay. So this unit is actually something like a filter. Actually they give you an extra one here, over here. So this is a filter whereby you can just turn it out and you can wash it. Okay, you can even twist it. Okay, so to put it back, you just need to make sure the hinge is aligned and then turn it, so it's back. So for this thing, I did mention that there's a soft brush that you can use to clean it, but no, it's so difficult to reach, right? So what you can do is simple, push it up. Okay, once you push it out, you can see that it's a basket. And you can use the soft brush to brush it. So you can do the maintenance easily with this soft brush, which is also, as I mentioned earlier, an accessory for the vacuuming. So I want to show you the mechanism on how this thing will open up. It's over here. So by pulling it out, it opens up. So I guess to align it, there's an arrow here and the arrow here. So make sure that they're aligned. Okay, once aligned, it's back. You can slip it back again to this main unit. And put it back. For this guy, to put it in, you have to lift out the handle first. And make sure that it is aligned properly and push it down. And that's it. It's assembled again. So to put this in, you just need to slot it so that you can see that there's light in front. So for those corners that is very dark, you can actually use it easily. See? And if you need to extend it, just take out this. These accessories is provided. Okay. So what you can do is to make sure that you are at the right position. The lock system should be here, and just insert it inside. And then from here, just insert this as per normal. Inside. That is it. It's too long to show in this video. show you a little bit of the cleaning. So this is the full set with the extension. So one good thing about this is you just need to press once and you lock it. So once you lock, you just need to actually the roller is very small, so it's quite easy to use. So as I mentioned, those dark corners, right? You can use the light source to guide you. That's it. Easy peasy.